Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your fave, and today I am wearing glasses because if you didn't know, I am blind. I'm actually blind, but I never really wear glasses because I just haven't found a pair that I like and a pair that's actually comfortable and a pair that doesn't ruin my makeup. But I have figured out tips for looking cute and still not being blind. So I've gotten 4 pairs of glasses from EyeBuyDirect.com. They're incredible. They have like thousands and thousands of styles for different face shapes, etc. And they also have this online try-on feature, so if you don't know if a pair is actually going to look good on you, you can actually try it on the website. So if you're interested in finding out how to look good in glasses and different frames and styles and colors of glasses, keep watching. So first we're starting off with my face, and I have on foundation and concealer, and I'm gonna powder my face because there is nothing worse than taking off your glasses and finding out, realizing that you have marks and lines and indentations in your skin. So one quick fix for that is primer. Yes, you must prime your face before you put on your makeup, but also to make sure that you powder your face and to pay attention to those little areas like on your nose where the nose pads of the glasses sit and where the frames touch your face. It's really key to make sure that those areas are well powdered up, because that is what's going to keep your makeup from staying put. And make sure that you powder your face not with just a brush. Of course, you can brush the powder off with a makeup brush, but to actually use a powder puff. That makes all the difference. And quick tip is to use eye primer on those areas where your glasses are going to touch your face instead of just regular primer. So don't use eye primer all over your face, but eye primer on those little areas around your nose and on your cheeks where your glasses touch your face will help you stay matte all day, as you can see. So here I'm wearing my favorite pair of glasses from EyeBuyDirect.com, and these pair of glasses have these little nose pads, and those are the ones that usually go into your skin, but as you can see, there are no marks. Because why? We powdered our face. So let's talk about the eyes. So obviously when you're wearing makeup, it draws a lot of attention to your eyes, and so what I like to do is to fill them in and just make them a little bit more defined. As you can see, they're already filled in because I had my eyebrows microbladed a couple of months ago, which means I wake up looking flawless every day. And then with some boy brow, there we have it. And so these are my second pair of glasses, also from EyeBuyDirect.com. So these are a little bit chunkier, but still really cool. And so when you're working with something chunkier, it's nice for your brows and your just eyes in general to stand out. Which brings me to my next point, eyeshadow. I'm really not an eyeshadow person, so what I do all the time, this is my number one makeup look, is just to take my blush or my bronzer in this case and just put that on my eyeshadow crease and just underneath my eyes, and I feel like that creates a nice monochromatic look. I tend to stay away from silvers and golds, especially for metallic frames, and that's that. Next is the lips. Yes, your lipstick actually can affect your makeup look so much because a dark lip can really balance out the bottom and the top of your face when you're wearing glasses. If you have something like this, really love the color of these frames. These are incredible for anyone of color. These type of statement glasses look really nice with a dark lip because they just create balance of the face, and I'm sure they look good with anything, to be honest, but it just kind of matches the brown with the orange. It's an autumn fall, if you're American, look. So next we have my favorite part of makeup, which is the highlight. So one thing that I've realized is if you're wearing highlighter with your glasses, it's actually a much better idea to put on your highlight while you're wearing glasses, because especially heavy chunky frames can really bring out these glittery chunks in your highlighter and just make you look really extra. So it's just a lot easier to put on your highlighter when you already have your glasses on, just so you don't look crazy, just so you don't look wild. And that's pretty much that, unless you're into the wild crazy look. Again, these are all tips and just things that I've learned along the way. And yeah, these are sunglasses, love them, also from EyeBuyDirect.com, love the color. And lastly, speaking of a highlight, you guys know I love the little dots on my cheeks and on my face. Don't ask me why, it's just one of these like cultural aesthetics that I'm really into. I'm South African, by the way. Hi. And so this is my final look, guys, with my glasses. What do you guys think? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're interested in purchasing any of these glasses, I think this pair is my favorite. Like, which is your favorite? Let me know in the description box below. But if you're interested in purchasing any of these glasses, whether it be sunglasses or reading, seeing glasses for those of you who are also blind, all you have to do is go to EyeBuyDirect.com. And if you're skeptical because you don't know whether or not a style will suit your face, they actually have an online try-on feature where you can just upload a picture of yourself and you can literally see how every style is gonna look on your face. So this is for those of us who are blind, who are also trying to look cute but also like see, like we also need to see. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know what other types of videos you'd like to see. So thank you guys again for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.